Rish, if I gave you $100 right now, what would you do with it?
Honestly, probably spend it. It's not enough to do anything real with.
That thinking is exactly why most people never build wealth.
But Grandpa, $100 is nothing. Rich people invest thousands.
Rich people started exactly where you are. The amount was never the barrier, Rish. The belief was.
So you're saying $100 actually matters?
I'm saying $100 invested right is the most important financial decision of your life.
Why?
Because it's not about the money, it's about building the habit before life gets complicated. Before we talk about where to invest, do you actually know what investing means?
Putting money somewhere and hoping it grows?
Close, but hoping is gambling. Investing is planting.
Planting?
You put a seed in the ground. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You water it, you wait, and you trust the process.
So investing is just patience.
Patience plus knowledge. Without knowledge, you're just guessing, and guessing with money is dangerous.
So what should I actually know before I put in that $100?
3 things: risk, time, and purpose.
Break it down, Grandpa.
Risk is how much you can afford to lose without panicking. Time is how long you can leave it alone. Purpose is what that money is for: emergency backup, growth, or long-term freedom. With $100, you have 3 solid doors to walk through.
What are they?
Index funds, ETFs, and micro-investing apps.
Those sound complicated.
They only sound complicated. Index funds let you buy a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. Instead of betting on one horse, you own the whole race.
And ETFs?
Very similar. They trade like stocks, but spread your money across many assets. Low cost, low effort, high sense.
And the apps?
Platforms like Robinhood, Grow, Zerodha, or even global apps like Acorns, they let you start with as little as $1. No broker, no complexity. Just you and your money growing quietly.
So I don't need a financial advisor to start.
Not at $100, Rish. You need discipline and consistency. That's it. Now, before you invest that $100, I need to warn you about the trap. What trap? Everyone around you will say, buy this stock, it's going to 10x. This crypto is the next big thing. My friend made 50,000 rupees last week.
Honestly, I've already heard that.
And what did you feel?
Like I was missing out. Like I needed to jump in fast.
That feeling has destroyed more wealth than any market crash in history.
So what do I do when I feel that way?
You pause. You ask, do I understand this investment? If the answer is no, you walk away.
Even if everyone else is making money?
Especially then. The crowd is usually wrong at exactly the wrong time. Rish, let me show you something that will change how you see $100 forever.
I'm listening.
If you invest $100 today at age 22 and it grows at 12% per year, do you know what it becomes by age 60?
Maybe $500.
Over $9,000 from $100.
That's not possible.
It's called compound interest. Your money earns returns. Then those returns earn returns. It multiplies itself while you sleep.
So the secret is just time.
Time is the one thing money can't buy back, Rish. Every year you wait, that number shrinks dramatically.
I've been wasting years not knowing this.
You're not wasting time. You're here now. That's what matters. So here's what you do this week, Rish, step by step.
Finally, tell me exactly.
Day 1, download one trusted investing app, Robinhood, Grow, Zerodha, or whichever is available to you.
Okay, then what?
Day 2, complete your KYC. It takes 10 minutes. Most people never do this, and that's why they never start.
And then the $100?
Day 3, put $100 into one simple index fund or ETF, not 10 different things. One, clean, focused.
And after that?
You don't touch it. You set a reminder to add even $20 more next month, and you repeat.
That's it?
That's it. Wealth isn't complicated, Rish. Consistency is. Rish, how do you feel right now?
Honestly, like I wasted so much time being scared of something so simple.
That fear is normal, but now you know.
$100 doesn't feel small anymore. It feels like a beginning.
Because it is. Every great investor in the world started with a first investment. This is yours.
Grandpa, why doesn't school teach any of this?
Because a person who understands money is harder to control, Rish.
Then everyone needs to see this.
So help them. Share this video. And if you're ready for what comes next, hit subscribe.